Morning, dear children. In today's class, we are going to learn the simple present tense and the simple past tense. Children, we use the simple present tense to talk about something that is happening now, things that are always true, something that happens again and again. We know that the word present denotes anything that is happening right now, in the present times. And the word tense means the time. So, simple present tense is used to talk about something that happened in the present time. Okay. So now, like I told you, we use the simple present tense to talk about facts, habits, and everyday actions. I repeat once again, we use the simple present tense to talk about facts, habits, and everyday actions. Now, facts. Some examples to explain this are, for example, the President of the USA lives in the White House. Now, this sentence is a fact and it is true, is it not? The President of USA lives in the White House. So, it is true and it is also a fact. Rabbits have 4 legs. Now this statement is also very much true. So this sentence is also in simple present tense. Now simple present tense is also used to talk about habits. Like for example, Mr. Brown sleeps every night. Or I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. Now, this is something which is talking about a habit. Some everyday actions can also be expressed by using the simple present tense. For example, I drink coffee every morning. Or I take my brother to the playground twice a week. Now this is something that happens again and again. So dear children, what did we understand? We use the simple present tense to talk about something that is happening right now, things that are always true, and something that happens again and again. Now, we use the simple past tense to talk about an action that is over. Okay, it is over. It has happened in the past. It's not happening right now. It will not happen in the future. Or it may happen in the future. But it has already happened, finished. So past means something that is finished or over. And tense means time. So when we want to talk about something or action that is happened in the past, or which is over in the past, we use simple past tense. For example, I walked to school yesterday. So it is over. It is finished. This action has been finished. He paid for dinner last week. Again, this action is over. It has happened in the past. I kicked the ball. Again, this is a simple past tense because the action is over. It rained yesterday. This sentence also tells us that the action has been completed. It was over. Something which has happened yesterday. Gone, over. There are some simple rules while using the spellings to denote the simple present tense. It's very, very easy. Children, don't be scared when you are learning the rules, okay? Because with little practice, everything becomes easy for you. So, don't be afraid of grammar. Only with practice, you can learn grammar. Anyway, with some simple rules, it will make things easier for you to learn grammar. Now look here. Some simple rules are like, with most verbs add s. We know that verbs are just action words. Come, go, sit, run, climb, all these are action words. So the simple rule says that if you want to say something in simple present tense, add s to the verb. Very easy, is it not? So live becomes lives. Sit becomes sits. Stay becomes stays. Now with any verb ending with y, change y to I and add es. This rule also is very easy to understand. Look at these words. Try becomes tries. Carry becomes carries. Is it not? Now if it is ending in s, z, ch or x, simply add es. So miss will become misses. Buzz becomes buzzes. Catch becomes catches. Fix becomes fixes. Now there are some exceptions. Exceptions means some odd things or irregular things. Like some verbs like go will become goes. Do becomes does. Here is a worksheet for you to practice the simple present tense. Please do it in your notebook and try it out. Now, when we are doing past simple tense, we know that past simple tense indicates an action which is completed at a definite time in the past. So, these are also very easy to learn. Look here now. In the positive terms, the words examples are I started, you started, he started, she started, it started, we started, you started, they started, etc. So, in the negative, I started will become I did not start, and as an interrogation or question, it will be did I start? You started. You did not start. Did you start? He started. He did not start. Did he start? She started. She did not start. Did he start? It started. It did not start. Did it start? And so on. This is a small assignment for you. You have to write and match these words or these verbs to their base forms to past tense forms. Okay, try it out. Here's another work for you to practice past simple tense in the regular verbs forms. So you have to match the words by ending ed or ied or ed and d. So please try them and write them in your notebook. Thank you.